Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through a quick college makeup tutorial look. This is going to be a really easy look for all those college going girls out there. Now I know you don't want to spend a lot and at the same time you don't want to be applying a lot of makeup. So being from an engineering college, I completely understand that wearing too much makeup can feel a bit weird and it's going to go a little extra. So don't worry, I'm going to keep this look super easy and super simple. And people will hardly be able to notice that you're wearing too much makeup. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So the first product that I want to show all of you is a most basic product, whether it's skincare, whether it's makeup, and that is a moisturizer. I just want to show you this particular moisturizer, which is Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is a really good product. It is good for normal and oily skin. However, if you do have very dry skin, you can go for the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. That again is a very affordable option. I'll be adding the links of all the products in the description box, and guys, I've kept all of these products extremely affordable so that this is something that you can practically afford. So the next product is also something that is very important, which is a sunscreen. Now, if you're in a college, most probably you're running around all over the campus and the harmful UV rays from the sun are definitely going to harm your skin. So whether you're a guy or a girl watching this video, I just want to make one thing very clear, that sunscreen is extremely important for any human being because the UV rays are extremely harmful and they can actually cause various skin diseases which can lead to bigger problems in future. Now the sunscreen that I want to recommend is this Pond's Sun Protect Non-Oily Sunscreen. This has an SPF 30, but if you are in a very hot area where the sun rays are extremely harmful, you can actually go ahead and use SPF 50. So I'll not be applying the sunscreen because I'm shooting this video in the evening time. So we'll just move ahead with the other steps of the makeup. So the next product that I have on my list is a CC cream. Now a CC cream does give you light to medium coverage. You may not find a lot of shades, but in the CC cream that I'm showing you, which is Lakme 9 to 5, you do have 4 shades. So you will be able to find something that matches to your skin. A CC cream is good for college going girls because A, it's super affordable, and B, it gives you the right amount of coverage that you need in college. So I'm going to be using the shade 01 Beige today. You can also take a little bit of it and you can just apply it wherever you have too much darkness on your face. Like for example, I do have under eye dark circles, so I tend to apply a little bit over here. This does not give brilliant coverage, but I feel this is the right kind of coverage that you need when you're going to college. One step that I forgot to tell you is a lip balm. A lip balm is also extremely important, and you can actually go ahead with a lip balm which has SPF as well. So I'll be using this Nykaa's Serial Kisser lip balm. This is in the variant grape. I really like the smell of it and the flavor is also really nice. This is good and it does keep your lips hydrated. Now the next product that I'm going to be showing you is a compact powder. This is the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Pressed Powder. A compact powder is again something that I believe is an essential to, and you can carry around in your college bag, because when you are running around, there is a possibility that you're sweating or you're just worn out and you need to give that touch up to your face. So you can actually go ahead, you can rush into the washroom and you can immediately set your face with this compact powder. I really like using this compact powder and I think this is a very good option in the affordable category. You can use any good buffing brush for the application. So guys, the next product is something that's super basic, which is a kajal. I don't remember a day in college, maybe the exam days, but otherwise I always used to wear a kajal to my college. And the option that I'm going to be providing you over here is this Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Kajal. I really like this kajal. There are many other options like the Plum Nature Studio and so forth. I'll be linking down all the options in the description again. Now guys, this is optional, but you can actually go ahead and use this particular kajal as a liner as well. However, it may come out, so you may need reapplication in the middle of the day. I think next product that I have over here is the mascara. I would not have you keep mascara as optional, because I think mascara is something that will make a difference to your look, and it will immediately brighten up your face, and you know, it'll make you look like you're woken up even if you haven't slept the whole night. So guys, do tell me how your college days are going and how are your classes going during these times, because I understand that everybody is at home. So next we're left with the lips, and for the lips I'll be recommending these cute little lipsticks. So these are from the Nykaa's So Matte lipstick range, and I feel they do have a lot of color options. However, these lipsticks don't really stay for the whole day. They stay for about 3 to 4 hours, and as soon as you have something oily, they're gonna go away, so you will need reapplication. But these are priced at about, I think, just $1.99, so you can actually experiment with more and more colors. I feel that it's better to go with a nude lipstick. So I have 2 lipsticks for different color ranges. The one which I recommend from the fair to medium category would be Nykaa's Naughty Nude. This shade is one of my most favorite shades that I used to wear so frequently. And the other option that I have from the medium to dark skin tone is this Bon Bon shade, which is also a very, very nice shade. Today I'll just be going ahead and applying the Naughty Nude. This is one of my top favorite colors, guys. It's really pretty. So yes guys, this is the finished makeup look. As you can see, this is extremely minimal and this does not require a lot of efforts. You can probably get this done in like 5 to 10 minutes and you can rush to your classes after that. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Do let me know if there's any feedback or input on this particular video, because that is what actually helps me improve. And if you did like this video, then please do go and hit that thumbs up button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Go recommend this particular video to all your college friends. Thank you so much. Please do take care of yourself.